Yeah.
Mfethu, like we play so well yesterday. 27 chances, 11. Ukuthi nje mfethu, we must get like conversion rate ukuthi ibe mnandi.
Yeah.
Swedele was not there, to tell the truth.
Yeah.
Ghost was there.
Yeah.
They got one chance. One chance from where? From our mistake. You understand? So like skhalela.
Sure.
Yes, kubhlungu vele sizokhala, but like Ntanga, we still have to believe.
Yeah.
This thing is ours.
Yeah.
I still believe. So the game was not bad, Ntanga. We just have to convert kuma conversion rates. So and PhD has been saying this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, do you think like that inclusion Nagandava, it costed us in a sense ukuthi it doesn't have a lot of minutes under his belt, and then he comes in a high pressure game like this, and so expecting us to win.
Sometimes that I'll take it to a coach because Soto has been giving us much more than Ndaba. But Ndaba didn't play so bad yesterday.
Yeah.
So it's just that mistake.
Yeah.
You make mistake, he makes mistake. Everyone makes mistake, Ghost. Ukuthi nje ukuthi mistake yakhe ibe kuye. Mega ebhadini and the whole is performing. So if Mbata played so well yesterday, were we going to cry? Ukuthi ucoach Ntanga kumele ayishintshe into emoshekele like ayimoshakalanga. It doesn't have to fix anything. But kuyenzakele mfethu. So I can't put a blame on Ndaba. If Ndaba lost, we all lost. So